food? Yes, we should keep healthy food habits and drink sufficient water. Clear? We have already completed our pre-midterm exam. I know you got nice marks. Am I right? Yes. We started subtraction in the last classes. Listen here. How many flowers are with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers are with me? 5 flowers. Now I am going to give these flowers to you. So how many flowers are with me? Yes, 0 flowers. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. How many pens are with me? 2 pens. Now I am going to give these pens to you. So how many pens are with me? Here 0 pens. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. If a number separated by itself, the answer will be 0. Clear? So listen here. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Clear? 1 minus 0. Listen. How many pens with me? 1 pen. I won't give pen to you. So how many pens with me? 1 pen. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. When we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number as answer. Listen, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Got it? Let's learn subtraction on number line. We already studied addition on number line. Listen. What is this? This is a number line. What is this? This is a number line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to subtract 6 minus 3. We have to subtract 3 from 6. 3 from 6. 6 minus 3. So from where do we start? Yes, 6. From where do we start? From 6. Then while doing addition, we have to jump forward. In subtraction, what we do? We have to jump backward. We have to jump backward. So from where do we start? From 6. Are you ready? Backward. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. How many steps we have to jump? 3 steps. 5, 4, 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. One more example. This is a number line. Yes. We have to subtract 2 from 8. We have to subtract 2 from 8. So from where do we start? From where do we start? From 8. From 8. From 8. So how many steps we have to jump backward? How many steps we have to jump backward? Tell me. Yes, 2 steps we have to jump. So we have to start from 8. We have to start from 8. Are you ready to jump? Yes. 2 steps we have to jump. 1, 2. Where do we reach now? 6. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Understood? Take your notebook. Yes. What we do? Firstly, we have to note down the date. We have to note down the date. After that, we have to note down the heading. Subtraction by counting backward. Are you ready to write? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Write down. Yes. U B T R A C T I O N. Subtraction. S U B T R A C T I O N. Subtraction. Subtraction by. B-Y by. Subtraction by counting backward. Write down. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. Counting. Subtraction by counting backward. B-A-C-K-W-A-R-D. Backward. B-A-C-K-W-A-R-D. Backward. Subtraction by counting backward. Then what we do? Yes, underline the heading. Yes. Ready? First question. You are not supposed to write anything here. Then 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. We have to subtract by counting backward. By counting backward. So from where do we start to count backward? From 6. How many times we have to count? 3 times. From 6, 5, tell me, yes, 4, 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Have you noted? Yes. So you are not supposed to write anything here in these boxes. Next, question number 2. A minus 4. 8 minus 4. We have to count backward. We have to count backward. Okay. From where do we start? From 8. How many times we have to count backward? 4 times. Yes. Yes, before 8. 7. Yes. 6. 5. 4. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Clear? Then question number 3. 7 minus 5. We have to subtract by counting backward. From 7. From where do we start to count backward? From 7. How many times we have to count backward? Yes, 5 times. Yes, from 7, Backward counting. Yes. Tell me. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Clear? Next question. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Yes. From 9. How many times we have to count backward? 3 times. Yes. Follow me. 8, 7, 6. 8, 7, 6. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Clear? Then fifth question. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. From where do we start? From 6. Yes. How many times we have to count backward? 2 times. 5, 4. 5, 4. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Understood? Let's revise. If a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. For example, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Subtracting 0 from a number gives the same number. Example, 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Subtraction by counting backward. 8 minus 5. What we do? We have to count backward from 8. Yes. How many times we have to count backward? 5 times. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next one, 7 minus 3. What we do? We have to count backward. How many times we have to count backward? 3 times. Before 7, 6, 5, 4. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Clear? Next one, 6 minus 1. What we do? We have to count backward. How many times we have to count backward? 1 time. So 5. Clear? So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Next one, 5 minus 3. 4, 3, 2. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Clear? You are supposed to send notes after the class. Thank you.